Hey Hip Chicks, are you tired of freezing your tail off in your house? I know it feels like it's getting colder by the day. Now, it's not too late though to winterize your house for the rest of the season. I've got 9 easy peasy DIY tips that you can implement this week to make your house warmer and more cozier and save a little more money on your energy bills. That's what Hip Chicks is all about, saving you money, stress, and time. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos. What I want to do is take you on a quick walk through the house and show you those 9 tips that'll make you snug as a bug in a rug. The first tip is a super easy one. It starts off with closing your garage door. You keep out the cold and you keep out critters that are looking for a warm place to rest. Make sure you close and lock your windows for better energy efficiency. Add outlet insulators to all of the outlets and switches on the exterior walls of your house. It cuts down drafts and keeps out bugs. If you have rooms in your house that no one is living in, close the door and add a magnetic vent cover to keep the air out of that room and push it to the rooms you are living in. Change your air filter. This should be done every 3 months so that you have maximum energy efficiency and performance from your HVAC system. Not to mention, you get cleaner air. For warmer showers and less chances of having frozen pipes, add pipe insulation tubes to all of the pipes that you can access in storage closets, garages, and basement ceilings. If you have window unit air conditioners, make sure you put an insulated cover over them. It's like putting a cozy on grandma's toaster. And this last tip is super easy. It involves changing the direction of the blades on your ceiling fans for winter and summer. The blades should spin clockwise in the winter and counterclockwise in the summer. And I think of going to the ice cream counter for an ice cream cone, so I remember counterclockwise for the summertime. So guys, I hope these 9 tips will help you make your home a little warmer. And if these tips were helpful, please give it a like and be sure to subscribe because there's always more good things coming from Hip Chicks.